Talofa lava and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we headed to the Chief's Luau in Hawaii. So enjoy and find out more about Samoan culture as well as other Pacific cultures. One of the highlights of our visit at Chief's Luau was that we were able to meet some of the Samoan athletes who had participated in the Pacific Games, as well as see some of our family and friends that we had not seen for many years. So that was a great highlight for us. Can I just say that we start off with the greatest thing, and that was the food. I loved the food that was there, and my favorite would have been the taro rolls. What I love about Chief's Luau is that they take parts of different cultures around the Pacific and share them with everyone in an amazing environment and somewhere where people can learn and enjoy themselves at the same time. So here are some of our favorite parts.
Please give a round of applause to our lovely ladies combined. Welcoming you to the Alice at the beginning of our journey through the South Pacific. To all the ladies out there, if you want to see more, please say Yorana. Yorana. Everybody please say aloha. Aloha. That is handmade and hand-woven by her very own mother. It's decorated with colorful feathers of the eyes. Holding a weapon, an ifoti, the tooth of death. The weapons the brothers used to protect her. Later on in our program, our warriors will perform with these weapons. On her head is a tuinga. The headpiece represents harmony, good feelings and peace among everyone. Around her neck is a ulanifo, necklace made from the tusk of wild boars collected by the brothers and men of the village. These are the bones that are used to put the tattoos on the men. These bones are dipped in the charcoals mixed with coconut oil and then hammered to the bodies to record the designs. These designs represent the people, the knowledge, and the culture. But there are also men that didn't survive this tattoo ceremony because of infection and losing a lot of blood. We'd like to say thank you to these warriors for their courage and their strength, their commitment to keep the culture alive and pass on to the next generation. Please give a round of applause to our warriors.